Some news that's coming in from Kannur, from Kerala, where there's been a bomb explosion at Mr. Vijayan's rally apparently, and one person, a CPM supporter, has been killed. Violence breaking out between BJP and CPM supporters there. Let's go across to Sneha for more on that. Sneha, what happened?
There have been two instances. We are just corroborating if both of them are exactly the same. But in one instance, there was BJP as well as the CPM party supporters who really clashed with each other. The BJP supporters allegedly attacked the CPM party workers and party supporters who were having a celebration rally about their victory. And it's in a case like this where one person has been killed in a bomb, in a country-made bomb which was hurled. In fact, we were caught in between that violence between the two parties, and that's why I'm talking in a very hushed voice, because I am surrounded by CPM people at this time. But having said that, this is something which is which happens on a very regular basis in Kannur. The CPM and BJP tension. Pinarayi Vijayan, the man from Kannur and the strong bastion in Dharmadam, has won. He is a strong CM candidate in Kerala, and with all of that, we saw the violence which broke out between the BJP and the CPM. We have visuals. You might be seeing visuals of how BJP workers were allegedly surrounding police personnel and attacking them. We saw people from both the sides, both the parties, BJP as well as CPM, who were bleeding. We were literally roughed up. In fact, if our camera person can just pan and show, there are some celebrations which are going on like this. These are the small rallies which are happening across the roads in Kannur to give you a sense of what is happening. A huge victory for CPM in Kerala, but also violence, which is very inherent in Kannur politics, already playing out. Even as the police had to fire tear gas shells to disperse both the crowds, both the parties.